Okay, welcome back to the our channel. In this video, I will just show you this how you interfacing this 16 by 2 LCD display with all this microcontroller. This one is the I2C module, is inbuilt in this I2C protocol and is working on this 4 wire SDA, SCL, VCC and ground. And this one is this total 16 wires, and this one is the 10K potentiometer to vary this brightness of this LCD. Now I will attach this module to this LCD and just connect these 4 wires and interfacing with this any microcontroller board. Now I will just show you. I will design a zero PCB and soldering all these components like Arduino Nano Microcontroller Board, 16 by 2 LCD display and I2C module. And you will just see this SCL pin will be connected to pin number A5 and SDA will be connected to this pin number A4 pin number. In Arduino Nano Microcontroller Board is the A5 is SCL pin, A4 is the SDA pin, and VCC will be connected to this 5 volt and the ground will be connected to this ground. If you want to interfacing with this ESP32 microcontroller board, you just connect this SCL pin to this pin number D22 and the SDA pin will be connected to this D21 pin number. VCC will be connected to this VCC and ground will be connected to this ground. Okay, now I will just interfacing with this NodeMCU microcontroller board with 16 by 2 LCD display, I2C module, SCL pin, SDA pin, VCC and ground. SCL will be connected to this pin number D1 and SDA pin connected to this pin number D2. VCC will be connected to this 5 volt or 3.3 volt and the ground will be connected to this ground. Okay, now I will just test this 16 by 2 LCD display with Arduino IDE software through. I will connect this USB cable to the ESP32 board and go to this tools, go to the setting and check this proper board and check this proper port and hit this uploading button. After the few seconds, the hello message will be displayed by 16 by 2 LCD display. If you do this connection properly, then your LCD will be displayed, otherwise it's not display. Okay, now I will just show you how this problem, this facing your problem to 16 by 2 LCD display. You upload this code but you not vary this 10K potentiometer, that's why it's not display. When I vary it, see, you just check out the welcome to justdoelectronics message will be displayed by 16 by 2 LCD display. And you just check this your I2C address number. If you have this 27 address, then the some LCD will be not display because is the I2C LCD address will be different. This is 3F. Okay, first you check this proper I2C address, then you upload this code and then your LCD will be work properly. If I change this address and upload it, is LCD will be not display anything. You just see it's not display anything. And when I do this proper address, I2C address is 27 and hit this uploading button, then the LCD will display this welcome message. Now I disconnect this USB cable and attach with this NodeMCU microcontroller board. When I attach, the LCD LED will be glow, and just go to this tool, select this ESP32 board and select this NodeMCU 1.0 microcontroller board and check this port and hit this uploading button. After the few seconds, the code will be uploaded and the LCD will be display this what you text type in this code is as well as display this LCD. You see the code will be uploaded and the LCD will be display. It's some blur, just you use this screwdriver and clockwise anti-clockwise rotate this potentiometer, the LCD text will become. Now I will interfacing with this Arduino Nano Microcontroller board. The code will be same, you just select this proper board and rotate this potentiometer to see this proper LCD. Now I will interface with this Arduino Uno microcontroller board. I attach this one shield and then I will attach to this 16 by 2 LCD display with I2C module. First I connect this USB cable and then I attach it with computer. and just go to this tools, select this Arduino Uno Microcontroller Board, check this port and hit this uploading button. After the few seconds, the LCD will be display this text message, welcome to Just Electronics. If you vary this brightness, just you rotate this potentiometer. Two things is the important. First one is the address, the I2C address, and second one is the 10K potentiometer. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please hit the like button and share with all the friends. If you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.